Right now, I'm going to show you how to clean the filter here on your Shark Navigator. Now, you might have a different color, maybe a different model, but as long as it's the Shark Navigator, it's going to be the same process. So here on the side, we're just going to unlock our canister here and remove it. And then we're going to take out two filters right here. So you have this top filter here. We're just going to pull this out. And then you have another little felt filter here. We're going to pull that out as well. I'm going to start here by just grabbing any hair that I can just to clean up a little bit off the top here. Then I'm going to turn on the water here and then I'm just going to rinse it out. So nothing fancy here, just going to get it nice and saturated here with the water. And then I'm just going to kind of wring it out. And then we'll see lots of kind of gray water, so it'll just rinse out all that dirt and dust that it's collected over the last few months. If it's nice outside, I'll set it out in the sun to let it dry. If it's not nice outside or it's too late in the evening, I'll just set these on a paper towel somewhere around the house and let them dry. Do the same thing with the other filter here. Now this one was not as dirty, so a lot faster on the rinsing. And then again, just find somewhere for them to sit to dry. You do want to make sure that they are completely dry before putting them back in your machine. You don't want any moisture getting sucked into the motor. So give it at least 24 hours to dry completely. Wring it out real good. Then put it all back together and you are good to go. Now there is another HEPA filter on the front of your machine here. So push up on this button here, release the cover here, and now you can pull out the HEPA filter. Now you can rinse this out underwater. Of course, you can't wring it out or anything like that because of the way the HEPA filter is built. But this HEPA filter does not need to be cleaned nearly as often. It will not get nearly as dirty. They recommend rinsing this out once a year. So definitely not something that you need to do that often. Just take it out, take a look at it and see what you think, kind of use your best judgment. At least once a year, rinse it out. And then they recommend replacing this one every 2 to 2.5 years, and then the other filters about every 3 years. So hopefully that was helpful. I do have a complete tutorial on this vacuum if you want to check it out.